Great, thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward, fast forward. I've got another amazing lady, Zoha Imran. She's the manager, culture, diversity, and inclusion at Telenor. What she's going to do, I'm not going to tell. So, let's experience what we have got with Zoha Imran. Zoha, please तालियां बजा के welcome कर दें.
खाका जो तुमने बनाया था, सांचा जो तुमने बनाया था.
This chair has witnessed quiet dreams, unspoken questions, and stories of resilience. This chair has stories of rising and wondering what lies within ourselves when we believe in ourselves and what happens when we believe in other people. I'm Zoha Imran, Manager, Culture and Diversity and Inclusion at Telenor, and I have my amazing colleagues with me here today who are going to be voices of courage, of resilience, of leadership, of allyship. These won't just be voices. There will actually be stories of impact. So let's begin and hear these stories and be part of the change.
There used to exist a version of me. There used to exist a version of me not very long ago. A very eager version, a less cautious version, a version working at a very big multinational company where I was stepping into challenges bigger than me. Fast forward to my international stint where I learned so much about myself as well as about growth. The fact that growth doesn't need boundaries, it just needs you to say yes. While at the peak of my career, change happened. My life shifted and my career paused. Not because my dreams stopped, but because my life had to realign. The doubts were loud, the times were uncertain, and like this chair, it sat empty, waiting just like me. Naya Aghaaz at Telenor gave me the opportunity to bridge my career and come back to work. 137 females over 9 batches. It's not just a job, it's a mindset. And during those times, there was still a lot of uncertainty. Will I be able to come back? Will I be able to do as well as I was doing before? But that's the thing about being resilient. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to keep on being who you are and keep on showing up. Today, I sit in this chair, not as someone who returned, but as someone who rose. I said yes to evolving, to believing, and to rediscovering myself. Telenor has countless opportunities for women like me to come back to work. It has Naya Aghaaz, Naira, Parvaz, and it teaches us to keep on showing up every single day. And in the end, my opinion and what I want to say to everyone out there is to keep evolving, keep being resilient, and to remember never to let this chair sit empty for too long. Thank you.
So when I started out in technology, there were very few women around this chair. With no role models, it was hard to envision what was possible, and still harder to step into leadership, because those opportunities often tend to lean towards men. But I stayed consistent, I kept working, I kept learning, and kept on moving forward, even when it was hard to balance between the work and the job that I had. So one of the key things that helped me was Telenor's culture. Telenor's inclusive and flexible culture helped me by trusting me, by giving me a space to grow as a leader and as a person, by creating safe spaces where it was convenient to speak up, where it was welcome when you had feedback. In turn, giving me the opportunity to grow as a leader. That support, that female-friendly policy, those little things that paved the path, enabled me to do better. So now, this also made my whole journey overall in the 15 years lighter. These little things that organizations tend to do make it easier for women to thrive. So now, after 15 years in technology and 10 years in leadership, I'm proud to see a lot of women entering technical fields and thriving. So for all the women listening, the key message that I would like to share is that don't limit yourself to what is expected. Explore your talents, work on your expertise, because we need women who can lead, who can pave paths for others to move ahead. So this chair, it's earned through grit, growth, and belief in yourself. Thank you.
For a long, long time, I thought sport means to step aside. But later I realized allyship is not a silence, but a presence. I have seen fantastic women second guess themselves, dim their lights, and question their worth. And I have wondered, did I do enough to make space? So I've made it my commitment to speak when it is inconvenient, to understand when it is uncomfortable, and to uplift even if I'm not in the spotlight. Because equality is not an act of generosity, it's a full-fledged responsibility. So today, I won't be sitting in this seat, but definitely will stand beside it so that others can.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज सबकी कहानी सुन के कुछ कहानी अपनी सी लगी, कुछ यादें आई, कुछ 25 साल के करियर में जो मुख्तलिफ काम किए उनकी बातें आई। When I grew in my career, I started my career, ये कुर्सी हमेशा खाली ही होती थी औरतों के लिए। So, what should I have done? What should I have thought? स्पेशली आज बहुत सारे लोगों ने टेक्नोलॉजी, सेल्स और इस तरह के रोल्स के बारे में बात की। सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की दुनिया में तो खवातीन ना होने के बराबर हैं। आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू वुड एग्री टू दैट। नो पाथ टू फॉलो, नो वन टू लुक फॉरवर्ड, नो वन टू लुक अप टू। अक्सर मुझे कहा गया कि जी खवातीन सेल्स में नहीं आ सकती, ज़रा बाहर जाना होता है, ज़रा रातों को करना होता है। सो आई हैड ग्रिट, आई हैड रेजिलियंस, so I pushed forward. Believe me, as women, ये एक काम है जो हम करते नहीं हैं. We have to push forward against all the tough, against all the odds stacked. And eventually, I was among the first few female sales directors in telecom industry, where there are very few women. And when I entered the room, out of 100 men, male-dominating area, very few women stand there as a leader. मेरे लिए ये टाइटल नहीं था. It was not only a title, but what it was breaking the barrier for making everyone believe that not only women belong over here, but we can lead. So now, as Vice President, VP Customer Experience and Care at Telenor Pakistan, I want to create more opportunities for women. मेरे लिए leadership is not only decision making, but also helping others to grow. Telenor Pakistan ने मेरे पे bet ली. They gave me critical projects. They gave me world-class training. So now what I want to do is impart that knowledge forward. Work towards women and give them confidence. The one thing that women should know, that they are always ready. If we can juggle between the jobs, we can manage a husband, a father, we can be a mother, and manage all that, then we are ready, and we have a voice. And we need to show all those men that we are ready to deliver. I would also request our male colleagues, like somebody beautifully said in the morning, that there are a lot of male colleagues who are supporting us in this. So take a bet on us. Girls rock, by the way. So we are going to not disappoint you. We rock, and we shall rock. Ab mere liye, what does this chair symbolizes? Trust me, this chair symbolizes for me when I sit on it. Abhi jahan aur bhi hai fatah karne ke liye hamare. More challenges to come, more opportunities and door to open. I make a commitment on behalf of Telenor Pakistan that I am going to make room for many more women like me who have led this journey and helped them grow. Thank you.
Thank you all to the wonderful speakers. Can I please have you all on stage with me again? Nausheen, Junaid, Serish, Roshnik. So today we heard voices of courage, leadership, allyship, and resilience. And such moving stories all of you had to share, and especially the part where we need to stand beside to make room for more people. So thank you all for being part of the change. And moving forward, let's commit, as Nosheen said, to building more spaces and following the passion that we have on empowering females. Thank you so much.